we're going to look at Netflix here on the weekly chart. It seems like every time we do a Netflix video, our question is, how much worse can it get? And it keeps on getting worse and worse. Look at all these this whole string of red candles in here in a row on the weekly chart. But we have some good news down here. RSI officially under 30. We're at 27 right now. So officially oversold on this weekly chart for our RSI. So perhaps some buyers will start to come back in either this week or next. But really, our next major resistance is going to be this 9-day EMA right here. That's currently sitting at that $90 psych level. That's a good, nice, even number for us. It's also the 9-day EMA. Overall, just a nice area for us to kind of climb to. It's going to take some work, but once this thing gets some legs, it should go pretty easy for us there. As far as getting up to that 9-day EMA. Now, as far as breaching it and holding, that's going to be another question, but above 90, we're going to be looking at this 93, and then above there, obviously $100 psych level coming in. Now to the downside in here, how much worse can it get? That's what we're always asking ourselves. 82.35, that's going to be our first support in here, about 40 cents off of it right now. Anything below there, nice whole numbers working our way down. So 80, 75, 70, 65, etc. Just until the chart kind of tells us, hey, we're finally going to turn around here, right? So that's what we've been waiting on ever since back at the start of the new year, right? So that's what we're waiting on, looking for a little bit of a turnaround in here, a little bit of a pop, but this RSI being below 30 might give us a little hand in here in turning that page. Now, as far as our implied volatility, everything is relatively high compared to itself in here with the VIX up where it's at currently. So Ivy ranking here is sitting at 18. $2 expected move priced in by this Friday, next Friday, $3, the following $4. So your expected moves aren't really that great. You have a little bit of implied volatility. We would like to see more, but let's see what happens in here as we start to get a little bit of a pullback in the spiders. The question is, are we going to hit 700 first before we start pulling back? That is kind of the overall lingering thing. And then we're going to see how our correlation between all these major tech companies, and then obviously how Netflix is going to intercorrelate and what is going to be the divergence between all of them and the overall market. So that's what we're looking at in here for Netflix. 82.76 is where we're currently trading, down around only 75 cents from yesterday. Perhaps we can find some footing down here at these 82.35s. A little bit of a turnaround. Buyers come in because we are completely oversold on our RSI. And then let's get this thing closer back up to right around that $90 level. So let's see what happens in here on the week for Netflix. Okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.